Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the corner and follow us on Instagram if you'd like to. I'll leave the link below. Today, what we're going to do, me and Steve are going to, I'll take you up here if I can. Looks a bit sketchy as usual. So we're going to strip the rest of this roof. So we're going to take the whole thing off now. We were going to keep this little area here for a bit of a seating area if we can dive in and out of the rain, but we're not now. Like I say, in the video yesterday that we did, I'm saying we had a big meeting with the homeowner and we're going to strip all the inner course off on this. So we just need to get it down, get it gone. Oh, Steve's throwing an extension lead up. Yeah, so we're gonna strip this off. We're gonna leave that roof over there. We're gonna leave that one on the garage area just for now, just so we've got somewhere to run to. It's supposed to be thunderstorms again today, so just so we've got some shelter just to run and dive into. But yes, so like I say, I hope you enjoy the videos. I enjoy making them. It's you know, it keeps my mind active, so it's all good. But yes, like I say, if you do like the videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, because they all do matter. But yeah, I shall set you up and I'll catch up with you when I'm getting on with this. Cheers. Right, what we're doing, just to explain everything that we are doing. Oh, it's bright in my eyes. So what Steve's doing is cutting this down into manageable sections, because it does weigh quite a lot. So the structure as it is, it's just a bit of like 6mm ply, 4mm ply, and then they've put like a standard bitumen roofing felt straight on the top. So what we're going to do is going to make sure I don't fall through this, because it is only roofing insulation. So what we're going to do is peel the rest of that off, and then we'll start taking all the insulation back up, then the rafters. But I've killed another wheelbarrow. Well, it wasn't just me, it was me and Steve. We threw a sheet off and it hit a wheelbarrow and killed it. So if anyone's got one of the Bell wheelbarrows, can you just let me know whether they're well worth the money, because they are mental money. But if they're worth it, then maybe we should invest in one of those, because I seem to be killing wheelbarrows like they're going out of fashion. So yeah, if you can leave the comments below, I'd really appreciate that. But yeah, so I'll catch up with you once we've done this. Keon, when you get a minute, can you get me another battery for said GoPro? If you don't mind. I know. Oh, he's just got that mix on. Van keys, I've got the van keys. It's alright. It was casual, it's okay. I don't mind. It's very warm. Very warm. Do 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 do. This run all done. Should all be good. Okay. Try and start a new stack. Right. Is that what Sean's ordered? One of those scooters, look. You got an electric scooter that you've ordered, Sean? Just seen some chap going past on his. Not an electric one, no. You ain't got an electric, you got a manual. Bit of a... You've missed the boat there.
Out with this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, electric one, I'm just giving the fast time, isn't it?
Just be...
Don't get me wrong.
Would have been cool.
More fun with the electric one, but...
I imagine it might be quite expensive, having a proper electric scooter.
I think they're about 500 quid for a good.
Just seen some chap go past on his. Like it. Oh, there's no way down now, Steve. That's it. Okay, go get the other bar.
We're getting this roof down.
Yeah, there's no... He's took our only way down off.
None of this, I've got to go get my glasses.
Yeah, well, to be fair, the reflection was burning my eyes. Didn't like it. Once it's started, it's a bit easier. Oh, thank you. Must have been love, but it's over now. Watch those, mate. There's two nails there, screws there that I nearly went flying on. Hey? Yeah, excuse the language. He's potty mouth.
Oh, we're back on now.
We're back on, mate. We had the big boy conversation about how much juicing are charging us for deep fill South Leveller.
I thought we were still
coming round from it.
Still upset.
we've got to get on, mate. We've got to move on from it. I'm sure Simon, branch manager, Nuneaton, is going to give us a fantastic deal on it. Aren't you, Simon? Yes. You know you are. There's no point playing these games. We all know it's going to happen, don't we, Steve? It's a free. We're having a bog off deal. Buy one bag, half price, and get the other one free. Is that right, innit? I think we could live with that, Simon, when you're listening and watching this. Right, Sean. I don't know whether we've all decided, didn't we, that when Simon watches this and realises I've already said that he is the Jewson's Nuneaton manager, that he's going to do us an amazing deal on that Semperle, isn't he? And just give it as
Everything.
well, everything, yeah. That goes without saying, which we normally get a fantastic price, but you know, we're always in the market for better discounts, you know.
Careful how you edit this.
Oh, she'll be edited in for full and honest reviews of lots of discounts. Discount button, please. Boom, hit it down. It's all right, Steve. What's the point in having a platform if you can't use it?
Yeah, to our own ends.
That's true. That is true. Oh, look at him go. Look at him go. It's the official use for that roughneck bar, isn't it? Hammer. Oh, it's a bit more weighty, this one.
Do that. A bit more. Just put it 2 by 2 lump guns.
Yeah. Oh dear. Oh no. You haven't, have you?
Oh, no.
What do I... Wait, Lewis, come on. Here, good boy. I'm hoping that Stephen hasn't smashed the toilet.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus. Right.
You couldn't have aimed that better.
I don't know, let's just make sure we can get that. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Right. That's going to be an issue. There's a massive hole in it now. She's definitely not going to be for flushing. Okay, that might change the outcome of what we need toilet wise. Right, I think what's happening, I'm going to have to pause this to have a little minute to calm down. we built a little hillbilly toilet, which is here, and we were hoping to keep that toilet, that one there, with the massive hole in it, that one, for as long as possible. Oh dear. Kian. So we just had an in-house joke, haven't we? And I got the bit of the titters. There's an in-house joke that's not PG. So but yeah, so the roof section's down now anyway, so the joists are gone. Hey Sean. Yes, it was very amusing. It was to do with the gas team that are in doing. The gas team are in. So yes, so we've got that down. All the old timber's over there. Chap's coming, an old boy who lives near here. He's having that all off us for free. So yes, so I'm going to jump down now, and I think Steve's stripping that lintel out over there. So yes, so I shall catch up with you, because I think we can backfill all the trench now for the gas, which will be good. Yeah, so catch up with you in a bit. Right, that's the gas mains are in. Lads are just doing their final connections just down there. So yeah, so new gas lines in, follow it around. So I think the meter team are different people, different loads. So I'm just going to get on with the sand blinding now. Get that in, get this back filled, and start clearing up. We've got a big delivery coming tomorrow, so we need to get this sorted. The gas mains is in now, so we just put the sand blinding on, which I'll put an image up for you. So now just getting rid of the rest of this soil, backfilling with the rest of this, and then we're going to put some type 1 MOT in. There was a bit of a worry with the gas mains because we think it's been teed off to the next few properties, so there was talk of digging up next door's drive, which would not have been, well, I wouldn't have wanted to tell him, put it that way, because he's very, he's only just had the drive done apparently, so yeah, but luckily enough, the powers that be have said that it's okay, so happy days. I've got a massive delivery coming tomorrow, so I've got to get all this shifted, all these blocks moved, ready for grab hire, and is Shawnee. We've buried the cable as well. We've buried the cable down here somewhere for the drive lights, because the grab hire, when that comes in, it is not forgiving, so he'll just rip it to bits. So we've done a little map, and we're hoping that we'll find that easy enough. Hoping. Tipping it down as well now. It was baking hot earlier on, and now it's tipping it down. It's shifting some soil. Oh, Sean's crashing. Right, I've had a bit of a clear up now. Ground's all scraped back. We've moved the bags of sand so they're on a line. Lewis is just going to whack a plate the rest of the drive because it's sunk where the channels are. So there's Lulu doing that. We've moved all the rubbish down here now, all the blocks, so that's reached for the grab hire now. The gas trench is all filled in up to that corner, so we've got to get into the drainage. And I believe that Stephen has, yeah, I believe that Steve's pretty much stripped all the inner course off on there and all the way down there, and like I say, we took the roof off earlier on. So yeah, so we're coming up to pretty much the end of the day. So yeah, so been a bit of a long day, to be honest. So if you haven't already, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like the videos. I do really appreciate any comments that you leave. It's always welcomed. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow. Cheers.